Hi, the first question in the project evaluation report is to discuss about the expected benefits of business intelligence for SYSCO. The first expected benefits arises from the implementation of business intelligence in SYSCO is the various functionality of business intelligence software that will improve the overall performance of SYSCO. The dashboard, extractions, and data mining functions help to improve it to summarize all the information that are extracted from a large pool of data. This will help to increase the efficiency and effectiveness in creating important information when compared to last time when SYSCO facing the difficulties of having different customer informations within the organizations. Predictive analytic functions provide the opportunities to forecast future events and trends. By utilizing this chance, business intelligence can help SYSCO to make major decision making whether or not to distribute new products to the market. The second benefit arises from the business intelligence is having sufficient customer support and services. Business intelligence attend to SYSCO real requirements and needs. In addition to that, business objects the landing vendor of business intelligence software design training program accordingly to their needs. Different forms of support and trainings are provided to resolve the issues and problems that SYSCO encounter. Thus, this will create a desired customer satisfaction. The second requirement of the project evaluation report is to assess the relevance and feasibility of SYSCO decision to initially address the two questions. For the first questions, it is considered relevant to SYSCO requirement. Business intelligence software helps to predict any new and additional products that can be sold to the customers. This may attract new customers and therefore bring in more profit to the company. It also increases the comparative advantage of SYSCO compared to its competitors. It is feasible to use business intelligence software as it has more advanced and innovative technology system to help analyze customers' profile and to predict which products are suitable to distribute to the market. As for the second question, customers equals to the revenue of the company. It is very crucial for SYSCO to frequently monitor the customer's purchasing pattern and be sensitive to detect the order reduction by customer. Therefore, SYSCO can take corrective actions immediately such as to understand the real reason behind it. Hence, it is relevant and feasible for SYSCO to initially address these two questions. For Part B, our group had assumed that they had chosen the volume discount method options after analyzing all the methods available. It is the best options from the cost perspective as SYSCO enjoy the bulk discounts and cost saving from buying extra licenses in the future. By utilizing the information and data available from the business intelligence software, it allows a greater expansion of the company, although SYSCO is the greatest food distributor in North America.
Hi, as question 3, possible implementation pitfalls. For the obstacle things in the first step of the BI implementation at SYSCO company, they and her team focus on the training for the software using, while the company wants them to answer these two important questions at first. But they believe that with more understanding with the BI system using, the quicker they can find out how to solve and answer these two questions. However, there is a problem for they to estimate the training numbers of the employees, which related to the cost of these activities, because the type of the employees that need training is unsure, and also the degree for new system acceptance of employees is also unclear. What's more, the biggest obstacle faced by the BI implementation as is its brand throughout SYSCO is that this company has highly decentralized business infrastructures. It means that each operating company subordinate to the SYSCO company has its own operating right to make decisions. Thus, they cannot predict how many operating companies installed BI system already, which might different to the SYSCO company's BI system. With the cost and profit consideration, this company who have small business intelligence will conflict to the SYSCO BI system implementation. Fourth question, the success with business objective BI software and proprietary implementation methodologies. The internally developed methodologies called BI Solution Accelerator have three distinctive features: rigorous, personalized, and specializations. The objective company through five phases, which is scope, design, build, deploy, and evolve for the solving the customer's problem. This process is rigorous that all these five phases should finish step by step to ensure the high quality of the system design and service. The expert teams from Objective Company consult with customers in order to reduce the probability of rework problem and also verify the modified BI system is suitable for the customer's demand and requirement. And in addition, with the BI implementation, SYSCO can use it's using the system for judge whether it can effectiveness and efficiency in answering to identify questions. The company can use data to measure the number of mistakes made after the implementation and also can calculate the time saving in solving customers' orders.
Question 5, shareholders are concerned about how may BI be a competitive differentiation for SYSCO and how could this improve internal control. BI has a lot of functionalities which include dashboard. They uses color coding which could help company to detect errors, which could be a detective control to SYSCO. BI helps the company to generate new reports from historical data. This could help SYSCO in performance measurement of each subsidiaries and decides on the allocation of resources. BI could help to forecast future events and trends, which could help to minimize the level of uncertainties. Separation of duties can be taken to improve internal control. When every employee has the knowledge and access to BI, it could prevent fraud and duplicate data entries. Thus, it is economically feasible for SYSCO to implement business intelligence system.